Don't mind me. So how long do you pre-bake it for?
It just depends on the part,
okay.
the liquid and stuff. Bring it up a couple of 200-300 degrees.
Okay.
Clean.
Oh, these are all clean? Okay.
And, been
Cool.
cooked, so.
So these are ready to powder.
These are ready to powder in a dirty boot.
Oh, you got 4 of them.
Usually you put one on each part,
Okay.
or with your hand it'll ground to it as well. If the cart was really clean, you could ground the cart and then all the hooks would ground it.
So you have to plug up every little...
Not every hole. These are tapered, so there'll be something that goes through there. It'll
Okay.
fit up on something.
Right.
So
This is an illusion color, meaning you bake it like this the first time and you put clear on it, and the clear is actually going to bring that color out. So I believe once we bake this, even though it's red now, it'll come out kind of gray, and then you powder clear over it, bake it again, and then it'll bring the red back out.
much difference, is it?
Oh yeah. So this is before, and then after clear, you get this finish. Delivery right now. We gotta take this to Alex's house because we got some stuff that we need to powder coat. All right, so here we got Alex to the rescue. With the newer trucks, these sit right on your cross member, on the lower control arm. So the cross member is all beautiful, powder coated, and having this, it just looks really ghetto. And powder coat is probably the best way to do it. So Alex is gonna save the day. We're gonna powder coat this, gloss black, take it back to Mondo, and then get it all installed. So what is that?
Grease and wax remover, kind of like you use like before you paint.
Okay. Got everything taped up. Got the hangers ready. Those are pre-baked.
Let those chill for 10 minutes.
All right.
Really good.
How does it look? Good?
Mm-hmm.
Glossy. So here's the one that's already finished up and cooled down. Yeah, that looks way better than how it looked. Yeah, that powder coated looks way better than just like raw metal.
I prefer raw.
You like it raw? That's gonna look pretty good. That blue, that navy blue and the red. Heck yeah, those are bright. So we got our premium rock lights in the middle and then two of our advanced rock lights. So they are actually slightly different tone, but whenever they merge and make one light, it looks really cool and makes it super crisp. Dude, I can't wait to see this at night.
I know.
Because we have, what, how many rock lights are we putting?
It's going to be 12 in the wheel wells total.
All right. So 4 of the big ones.
Frame, so 20.
20. The lights off?
Let's see. Let me get the truck first. So I'm going to do a test first. Here, hold this.
Huh? Ooh.
Yeah. Leave it on?
Sure.
They all working?
We're gonna find out.